Hi, I'm Brian Withers, empowerment coach, trainer, and author. And do you want something to be better in 2025 than it's been in 2024? Well, this time of year, people think about New Year's resolutions and leaving the past year behind and looking forward to things being different in the new year in some way that is a more satisfying experience. And if you've been on the channel, you can tell from what you've seen that really a change in the year really doesn't change anything. It's a new year and it feels like, okay, new things could happen. But really, we know what is going to make things happen differently in our life. And so if you take 2024, the vibration you had in 2024 into 2025, well, you know it's going to be the same year roughly all over again. So whether that's in relationships or in a job or any material wealth or you name it, and health, whatever it is, if your vibration remains the same, then it's going to carry into 2025. And hey, it's the same as 2024 and 2023 and 2022. And really, once you get those beliefs established from the time you're 8 years old, let's say, give or take, your life is playing out in accordance to those beliefs. So until you change them, nothing is going to change. So, that's what this channel is all about. My books, everything I do is helping people to understand what beliefs are, where they are, and what it takes to change them. And then we gradually see the changes happen in our life as those old beliefs are displaced with the new beliefs, and now the energy's changed, and now the manifestations can change. But there's no shortcut, and it doesn't matter if it's a new year or a new house or a new relationship or a new job or a new anything. If you take the same vibration into it, it's going to turn out to be the same old experience. And I'm sure many of you can attest to that. So, in let's prepare ourselves here in for 2025 to make some changes, and let's do what it takes to get our beliefs changed, and that way we can know we're working towards changes. And certainly within the year 2025, if you go through the 6 stages of manifestation change. I just finished that series here recently in the channel. If you do those stages, then you're setting yourself up for a change in your energy. And of course, that is what will change the way your life is manifesting. So 2025 can definitely be a year where you're making some changes in your energy that certainly in the latter part of the year, you could see some things changing even before the latter part of the year. But that's the way that 2025 is going to change for you if you get to work on doing what it takes to change your beliefs. Okay, that's the message that I want to leave in this video. Thanks for listening in. If you have any questions, leave them on the post, and have yourself a great day.